Yo, what up? Supreme week 1, spring summer 2020 officially kicked off, so items came in, so let's take a look at what I got. Right off the bat, the poncho, free gift of the season. Black water bottle. Grabbed this off the restock. I missed out. Wanted the red, but got the black. Sticker pack. Got this sticker pack, shop, and then the Love by the Children and the normal box logo. That. And this one. Right. Let's take a look at these. Same sticker pack, week, another poncho. This one is that S logo with the leather cut, size medium, heather gray, S logo, hooded sweatshirt for the personal, I already know. Look at this one. Let me open it. This one has the Zippo glow in the dark lighter. Zippo. Naomi sticker, still no bling, box logo. Another poncho. Tupac hologram tee in this neon orange, size medium. The Tupac. Alright, take a look at this one. Back tee, another one, poncho, another Naomi, no box logo, it's the bling one, size medium, the Laugh Now tee, and black, cherries tee, heather gray. This is the only tie-dye, Love by the Children, size medium. This is fire, tie-dye, super nice. The paint logo tee and black. There you go. Sacred unique long sleeve tee, Supreme, in this natural colorway. This one is natural masterpiece tee. The masterpiece is pretty sick. This one is the navy bling tee. This is the sticker that I want, but I didn't get it yet. Alright, last package. Moment of truth. What the heck? Naomi again? This is like the 4th or 5th Naomi sticker. Not even a single box logo. Here it is, Naomi tee, black. This is a nice tee. I really love it. But I just wish I don't get the same sticker over and over. Another poncho. This black cat tee, black. And shop tee in the navy, medium. Grabbed it because it had like this little red writing font on it, which was pretty sick. But yeah, my week 1 haul. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I didn't even get no bling stickers, man. I'm super bummed out. But yeah, let me know how I did. Subscribe. I'm out. Peace.